should be more active in the party. Oscar Fernandez has said that Priyanka Gandhi should give more time to the organization and that she doesn't need a post, but she should be very actively involved.
Sir, a lot is being said about how Priyanka Gandhi should really be coming to the center stage now. There were some reports about her getting a bigger role in Uttar Pradesh.
नहीं, देश में रोल लेना है, हमारा आशा है, ये सबका मांग है और अभी भी काम कर रहा है, पार्टी के लिए जान दे रहा है. हम चाहते हैं वो कितना ज्यादा वक्त दे सकता है पार्टी के लिए, देना है, हम सबका मांग है.
एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए कांग्रेस के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रियंका गांधी.
हमने ज्यादा वक्त देना है, इसका मतलब क्या है, तो बड़ा रोल लेना है, यही हमारा मांग है.
Sneha is reporting on this. She's with us on the phone line. Sneha, one more statement coming in from a Congress leader. Again, the stage is being set for Priyanka Gandhi taking on a larger role in the party.
Well, yes, all is not well in the Congress. We do know that there have been several questions raised on the party leadership, really, on how the leadership wasn't successful in ensuring a decent victory, or even a decent number for the party in the Lok Sabha elections. Oscar Fernandez, the senior leader of the party, coming out and saying that we demand that Priyanka Gandhi take center stage. In fact, I did ask him whether she should be a part of the organization or not. He said she doesn't really require a position in the party, but she should continue to work for the party. She's done that in the past. Definitely she should be devoting more time. Well, this really just sort of, gives more weightage to this idea within the party, murmurs within the party that the Congress needs a fresh lease of life. There are many senior leaders who talk about how Priyanka Gandhi's charisma perhaps is going to help the party. Remember, she's only campaigned for her mother and her brother in Raebareli and Amethi this time around and even in the past, but she's otherwise stayed out of politics. In fact, we've had in our campaign trail in Amethi and Raebareli, we did ask her whether she wants to be involved in active politics or not. She said there is time for that, but she's not ruled that out completely.
Right.
Even Oscar Fernandez today, when I asked him whether the media reports about her getting a bigger role in the party and also in relation to Uttar Pradesh, he did not deny any of those reports. In fact, he went on to say that she doesn't need a position. But yes, I'm making it clear that she needs to devote more time to the party and that we demand that she join the party.
In fact, Sneha, we'll play out that reaction of Oscar Fernandez once again for our viewers. Thanks for joining in, Sneha.
Sir, a lot is being said about how Priyanka Gandhi should really be coming to the center stage now. There were some reports about her getting a bigger role in Uttar Pradesh.
नहीं, देश में रोल लेना है, हमारा आशा है, ये सबका मांग है और अभी भी काम कर रहा है, पार्टी के लिए जान दे रहा है. हम चाहते हैं वो कितना ज्यादा वक्त दे सकता है पार्टी के लिए, देना है, हम सबका मांग है.